Hello friends, welcome back to Remote Technology. In this video, we will discuss about an error occurred during installation of SQL Server. Basically friends, I have completed my installation of SQL Server. After that, I have installed Visual Studio. After that, I got this error, when I double click on SQL Server Management Studio, then it shows an error, cannot find one or more component, please reinstall the application. I am search about this error on Google, but I can't find it helpful. So let's start how to remove this error. First of all, you need to go to control panel. After that, you need to go programs, program features. Here you need to write down SHELL and you need to uninstall this application. After uninstall, you need to download a file. I have downloaded this file from Microsoft website. Link of this file will be given in the description. So you can also use shortcut commands like window R, app.cpl, and then search shell, uninstall it, and download this file. Double click on it, and when you double click on it, you can see there is an update and install option. You need to install this file. I am just install it. After installation of this file, you need to go to your SQL Server setup, like I have. SQL Server setup, SQL Server 2012. After that, you need to repair your SQL Server. Double click on it. You need to click here yes. It will take some time. Yes, and so here you need to go maintenance, then here you need to click repair. After that, a wizard will also open. so you can do your repair process. After repairing of your SQL server, you will get SQL servlet like I have just repaired my SQL server. Here friends, you need to click your select your instance, then you need to go next. Link of this video how to repair SQL server can be also given in the description. As you can see, I have just opened my SQL server and I'm just connected to local. Like I'm just open my server. So friends, this trick working for me 200%. Thanks for watching this video, friend.